As the film begins, the story introduces a panic in New York caused by a virus outbreak, which originates from cockroaches. This outbreak leads to the death of many children. Dr. Peter, the head of the health ministry, becomes deeply troubled by the situation. To tackle this crisis, he calls in Dr. Susan, who is a genetic engineer. She starts researching the problem. Through nearly 9 months of work, Dr. Susan creates a special bug using genetic engineering. This bug is designed to eat cockroaches. She also alters its genetic makeup to make it feel extreme hunger, causing it to consume as many cockroaches as possible before dying quickly. The experiment proves successful as the engineered bugs wipe out the cockroach population, eventually ending the outbreak and saving many children. Dr. Peter feels impressed by Susan's achievement, and eventually they get married. The scene then jumps ahead 3 years. Inside a church, a priest becomes frightened by a mysterious figure and climbs to the roof. However, the shadowy figure follows him, and the priest falls to his death in panic. A boy named Chewy witnesses this from a nearby home. The mysterious man drags the priest's body into the church basement. The next morning, police arrive to investigate. They discover not only the priest's body but also several others, along with multiple missing persons. A doctor is brought in who suspects yellow fever or a similar outbreak. Given the severity of the situation, Dr. Peter is also called to the scene. He believes it could be another epidemic and orders all church doors to be sealed to prevent the spread. The scene shifts to Susan, who is about to leave her lab when she encounters 2 children offering her bugs they collected from a garden. She buys the bugs without much thought. As she prepares to leave, she notices one box shaking violently, far more than any insect should be able to. Curious, she opens it and finds a bug the size of a rat. More than its size, its appearance shocks her. It is the same Judas bug she genetically engineered 3 years ago. Confused about how the bug is still alive, she checks its DNA and confirms it is indeed her creation. Not only is it alive, but it has also evolved and grown dangerously large. While investigating, a hooded man watches her from outside the lab. Taking advantage of her distraction, he steals the bug and disappears. Susan, disturbed by the theft, immediately informs Peter and explains everything, including the DNA match and the sudden disappearance. Peter decides they must restart their research. But first they need the bug. Curious about what happens next? Full video is linked in the description.